Hello. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a little bit about your reflective journal. At the end of each of your module, you have to write a reflective journal, an entry to your reflective journal. As we talked about in the first session that we met, a journal is like a book in which you keep track of everything that you've learned or that's meaningful to you or that has impacted you somehow. So at the end of each of the modules, you're going to be writing more or less a summary of everything that you've learned, what has been meaningful for you, what is something that you would like to learn more about, and so on and so forth. So um, if we go to module 1, for example, my reflective journal, and you click on it, this is always going to be at the end of your session. It here tells you different things that you have to take into consideration when writing your journal. What have you learned? How did you feel? Talk about interpretations and decisions that you're going to make based on what you've learned. So when you go to your page, I'll choose one of you guys, anyone, and you go to it, the first option that's going to show up is this. And it has a page title called Module 1. You simply click or where it says Create Page. And when you click on Create Page, this is going to show up. On the top, you have different options: View, Edit, Comment, and History. You're going to be writing your answer in edits. So here you write down your answers to your reflection of that week. And this is the reflection for Module 1, Learning Strategies. Then, when you're done with your reflection, writing your reflection about that module, you just click save and that's it. Then later on, if you want to check any of the comments that I've written to you based on what you wrote, you could come here to comments and you're going to be able to see anything in particular that I would like to share with you based on what I've read from your entry for module 1. Then for module 2, your reflective journal, what you have to do is this time around, you're already going to have your module. So you have to go to the option that says here, for example, to your right, underneath reflective journal, you're going to select the option new. You're going to do this for your reflective journal from module 2, 3, and 4. You're going to click on new. When you click on new, this is going to show up and it's going to ask you for a new page title. And then here you're going to write down the name for module 2 when it's the reflective journal for module 2. So you write down module 2, integrating language. Okay? And you click on create page. Okay, and then after you create a page, here in edit, you should have the option of module 2. And then you could write down your reflection for module 2. Then when you have to do your reflection for module 3, you'll do the same process. You click on new and you write down module 3 and the name from module 3 that's using technology. And you're also going to be writing your reflection from everything that you've learned throughout that module. Well, that's basically it. What you need to know. Keep in mind after you've written your reflection, always to click save. I hope that this video is helpful for you guys for each of your reflection and what you're expected to do. If you have any further questions, please let me know. You know that I'm more than willing to help you guys. Thank you very much for everything.